How to clear the temporary folder in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that can help you optimize your Windows experience, how to clear the temporary folder and why you should do it. So, what exactly is a temporary folder? The temporary folder or the temp folder is a directory in Windows that stores temporary files created by applications operating system itself. These files are usually created while a program is running or when the OS needs extra money. Now, you might be wondering, why should I clear this folder? Well, in most of the cases, the software that creates this temporary file should automatically delete them when they are no longer needed. However, some programs don't do this properly, leading to build up temporary files over time. Now, let's talk about how to clean up your temporary folder. There are couples of methods you can use. First, you can use the built-in storage sense tools in Windows 10 and 11. This tools helps you automatically delete temporary files and manage your storage efficiently. Alternatively, you can use the legacy disk cleanup utility, which has been around since Windows 95. This utility allows you to manually delete temporary files from the temporary folder. In conclusions, regularly clearing your temporary folder is simple yet effective way to maintain optimal system performance and free up your storage space. If you found this video helpful, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. And I'll see you in the next video.